Oh, hey, what's happening? I know, odd way to start a video. And why the hell are you wearing a lavalier mic in bed? Anyhow, I wanted to show you this bedside gun safe I built. Pretty convenient, right? Anyhow, I'll get my tail out of bed, I'll meet you in the garage and show you how I got it done. The wood I'll be using for this project is 1-inch thick yellow pine. I get these from the big box stores. They're actually marketed as stair treads. They come in 3-foot or 4-foot lengths, 11 inches wide, and I love the look of the 1-inch over the 3/4. Looks super durable and relatively cheap, about $15. For my cuts, I'll be making 2 at 18 inches by 9 inches, 2 at 12 3/4 by 9, 1 at 14 3/4 by 9. Now this will depend on the brand of safe that you get. I usually get the Amazon Basics or the Jugreet. They will of course vary in length and width, so you'll need to measure those first if you're going to make one of those, depending on which one you buy. You will also need to cut a back piece, which is the piece that the safe will screw into in the cupboard. I will also cut a French cleat piece, which I will use to mount the nightstand on the wall. I apologize, I accidentally cut this out, but after attaching the bottom part of the nightstand, put the safe inside it and use it as a guide where to put the next shelf. And that'll let you know exactly where it needs to be. Now I'll cut and put in the back piece, which is what the safe will screw into to keep it secure inside the nightstand. I'm just using a scrap of plywood here to make this back piece. I'll get it cut up in the right dimensions. We'll put some pocket holes in the back of it and then make sure it fits right. Here I'm putting on the top piece to the nightstand. If you wanted to get fancy and do a 45-degree miter, you certainly could. I'm just taking the easier route on this. Next I'll cut the French cleat and then I'll get that assembled into the back of the nightstand. And to give it a little bit of nicer look, I'm going to put a round over edge with my trim router. After I'm done routing, I'll give it a quick sand. And I almost forgot, I got to cut the door out. For this one, it's going to be 12 5/8 by 7 3/4. That'll leave a nice little 16th around all the edges of the door so it opens and closes properly. And then I'll use my this jig I got from Kreg to cut the holes for the hinges. In case you're wondering, what you're witnessing here is the death throes of my DeWalt drill. It is on its last leg. We'll get these hinges put in the door along with the knob. We'll set the safe inside the nightstand, get it screwed in, put the door on, and we should be good to go. And of course, this safe doesn't come with holes that I need, so I'm going to go ahead and use a bit and drill through the back of the steel. So I have 4 screw holes in there to hold it in secure. All right, getting the safe put in. Really overall, this is a pretty simple build. It did not take me long at all. As you can see, there's not a whole lot to it. But it really does make for a convenient piece of furniture. And oh, awesome, you'll never believe what I just did. That's right, I put it in upside down. So we'll switch it around real quick, put the screws back in, no worries. Easy fix. Here we go. And then we'll get this door on, and that'll be it. Hey, if you made it all the way to the end, I appreciate you watching. I haven't done too many of these, so I promise I'll get better. Thanks for checking it out. If you got some value, please like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. We'll see you on the next one.